When these homeowners checked their doorbell camera footage in the morning, they were shocked. There's this woman in the video who just seems off. The way she moves, the strange reflection in her eyes. Normally, human eyes don't reflect like that, which makes this even more disturbing. Some people are suggesting she might be a demon or a skinwalker, a witch capable of transforming into different shapes, human or animal. This doorbell footage shared by Redditor Emily Strange is absolutely horrifying. In the video, a small child wearing a white robe or dress wanders around Emily's property. Emily mentioned that she and her family don't have any children, and their front yard is fenced all around. So it's strange how a child could have entered the yard on their own, especially at night. Some commentators think it's a ghost of a Victorian-era child, while others suggest it might just be a lost girl. I think it's a ghost. On January 16th, 2023, at 10:19 p.m., a Ring camera captured this. In the video, a figure appears to glide past, moving towards the house as the person walks down the driveway. Some insist it's a ghost, while others think it's a glitch in the camera or fog. Yet, none of these explanations seem to fit perfectly, especially because the shape of the apparition resembles a human silhouette, and it seems to be making walking movements. One Friday night, a guy and his friend were playing video games at his house until he got an alert from his doorbell camera. When he checked the camera on his computer, he saw this.
Yo, what is that? You see that, Mom?
Yeah, I see it.
What the?
A little boy was standing still in front of their house. They didn't know why this person was there or how they got there. Both guys were terrified, and then the little boy started running towards the house and disappeared from the camera. They wondered if it was someone playing a trick on them or if there was another explanation. This man from Fresno recently shared a video he received from his wife's security camera. The camera alerted him that something was moving in their backyard. In the video, a strange figure is seen walking across the yard. The man believes it could be the Fresno Nightcrawler, a mysterious creature known in that area. The Fresno Nightcrawler is famous for its appearance: long, slender legs and no visible arms, making it look like it's gliding. Sightings of these creatures have been reported by locals over the years, adding to the mystery and intrigue surrounding them. One night, a family got terrified when this stranger showed up on their porch. He tried to come inside, which frightened them even more. They called the police, but it's unclear if they caught him. What's really weird is his eyes, pure white, like they weren't human. This doorbell camera footage was uploaded on YouTube by user Developer's Diary 769. When you first look at it, it's downright terrifying. It looks like arms and a head moving strangely along the ground. But here's the twist. It's actually an optical illusion. It's a skunk. Look again. Did you fall for it? On this doorbell camera, a woman goes outside to collect her laundry. Everything seems normal at first, but then she feels as if she's being watched. There, lurking just beyond the fence, is something eerie and unsettling. When they later asked their neighbors about the mysterious presence, no one had a clue. A worried dad posted this doorbell footage on Reddit. One night, his security camera beeped, waking him up, and when he checked, he saw this. A clown staring right at the camera. A few nights later, another clown came back to the house. This time, it went to the back door with a machete. The dad's video got lots of views and comments on Reddit. Some people thought it was just a really disturbing prank, but others were terrified. The family installed more cameras and locked their doors tight after this. This chilling footage has surfaced on Instagram, shared by user versatile_speed. Late at night on October 15th, his Ring camera captured something inexplicable. This video stands out as the only one on his entire account showing such an event, which adds credibility to his story. At 7 a.m, he received a motion detection alert on his phone, prompting him to check the footage. What he saw was baffling. A dark, shadowy figure swiftly walking down the road. Its feet were visible, but the rest of its body seemed like a transparent shadow. In the caption, he expressed confusion, noting that while distant people and a white truck were clear in the background, this figure remained elusive. This doorbell camera caught a mysterious woman wearing a terrifying mask. There isn't much information available about this footage. This lack of detail makes people wonder and doubt its authenticity. Some believe it could be a prank. Regardless of whether it's a joke or not, the video remains disturbing. Just as disturbing as the people who haven't subscribed to my channel. This doorbell footage is shared on Reddit by a user known as icedcoffee_god. In this recording, a strange figure comes into sight. Its appearance is confusing. Its long limbs and strange movements are very unusual and unlike anything we know. As people watch the video over and over, they argue about what this mysterious visitor really is. Some think it's a strange spider mutation, others think it could be an alien. On October 28, 2020, something mysterious was caught on this doorbell camera. This footage was uploaded on YouTube by Grant Kopka, who doesn't often post videos. This particular one stands out because it's the only creepy video he shared. In the video, Grant strolls casually through his yard near the cornfield. Suddenly, a strange, white, ghostly figure darts out from the cornfield, passing right by him. Some viewers speculated it might be his breath visible in the cold air, but others disagreed, arguing that his breath should move ahead of him, not behind. This video shared on Facebook was recorded by a security camera at around 4:45 a.m. in La Junta, Colorado. Some folks on Facebook think it resembles Dobby from Harry Potter or even an alien. The creature has long, skinny limbs and an oddly big head that does not look human. And its movements are unlike any human movements, making it even more unsettling. This doorbell footage uploaded in 2022 shows something strange. There's this see-through orb slowly moving across the screen. According to experts, orbs are believed to be spirits the cameras can capture. They say it's a way for ghosts to show themselves. The person who posted the video called it probably just a bug, but it's a bit creepy. The most popular comment on the video says, "That's not a bug, that's an orb." Most people seem to think it really was a ghostly orb caught on the Ring camera. On June 19th, 2023, a family was chilling at home, just watching TV in their cozy living room. Little did they know, something bizarre was unfolding right outside their window. Their Ring camera captured the whole eerie scene. Twice, an alien-looking creature peeked into their room, its pale white skin and strange features visible through the window blinds. Some folks suggested it was someone in a mask fooling around, but upon closer inspection, it seemed genuine. The creature resembled what's often described as a grey alien. Could this really be one of those aliens watching the family? It's hard to say for sure. Late one night, this Ring camera caught something very strange. The footage showed a bizarre, shape-shifting and moving thing across the sky. It wasn't a plane or a bird. It seemed almost ghostly, translucent against the night sky. This footage was shared on TikTok by Jojo Ramirez as she and her son Daniel were returning home.
Go shower really fast. I need you to go shower. Please, Daniel. Who's that?
Out of nowhere, a strange man appears and tries to enter their home.
Who is that? Get out of here! Get out of here! There's a guy outside. Look.
If you look at his eyes, you can see that his pupils were big, which could mean he was on drugs. The man just stood there. Later, the man's family contacted Jojo after seeing a video of the incident. They explained he had mental health issues and thought he was at his own house. Jojo updated everyone, saying his family assured her he meant no harm that night. Maybe he just wanted to tell the family to subscribe to my channel. This doorbell camera takes pictures when it detects movement, and what it caught is absolutely chilling. In the photo, taken on August 25th, 2022, you can see a strange, skinny figure that looks almost alien-like. J.R. Mishok posted this video with the caption, "Alien or Skinwalker caught on my security camera in Alabama." This isn't something he's done before, which makes me think he's not just trying to get attention. It was 1:30 a.m. when a man suddenly woke up to a strange message on his phone. The notification was from his Ring doorbell app saying, "Motion detected at the front door." He hurriedly got up and opened the app to see what was going on. He feared the worst, imagining an intruder, and he was right. But it wasn't what he expected. It was a huge spider. What they caught on these cameras is truly horrifying.